Hey everybody! Today, we're looking at the big, beefy family haulers, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner and the 2025 Honda Pilot. One is a tough, off-road beast with a body-on-frame design, and the other is a comfy, practical people mover with loads of features. Which one is better? Which one should you spend your hard-earned dollars on? Let's find out! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner packs a punch with a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder pumping out to 178 horsepower. And if that's not enough, the hybrid version cranks it up to a whopping 323 horsepower. Wowza! You can go rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and it gets a combined 21 to 23 mpg. Not bad for a big, tough SUV. It tows up to 6,000 pounds. So you can haul all the important stuff like a giant donut statue. With prices from $42,770 to $62,860, this off-road beast is ready to take you on all the adventures you can dream of. The 2025 Honda Pilot, a smooth and comfy ride with a 3.5-liter V6 making to 185 horsepower. It comes in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, so whether you're picking up the kids or escaping to the woods, it's got you covered. With a combined MPG of 21 to 22 and a max towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, it's not quite the brute the 4Runner is, but it's got space, practicality, and a price tag starting at $40,200 and topping out at $54,580. It's the perfect SUV for folks who want room for the whole family. And maybe a few boxes of donuts, too. The 4Runner is built for action. It's got available fixed running boards and TRD off-road bilstein shocks, while the Pilot's Trailsport trim just gets standard shocks. Weak! It also flexes a bigger touchscreen with an 8-inch standard unit and a monstrous 14-inch upgrade, plus standard heated side mirrors. Nice. And thanks to its reinforced body-on-frame design, this thing is tough enough to take on the apocalypse or at least some really bumpy roads. Okay, so the 4Runner's a little pricey. It starts more than $2,000 higher than the cheapest Pilot. And it doesn't come with standard wireless charging like the Pilot, which is kinda lame. It doesn't even come with standard remote start unlike the Pilot. The Pilot is the king of space. It fits up to 8 people, while the 4Runner stops at 7. More room for snack breaks! Plus, it's got cool family-friendly features like heated wipers, an in-car PA system so you can yell at the kids without turning around, and a conversation mirror so no one's getting away with anything in the back seat. And let's not forget the heated and ventilated second row seats. Fancy! But wait, no power or liftgate or window. Boring! And while it has a fancy 12-speaker Bose audio system, the 4Runner one-ups it with a 14-speaker JBL setup. More speakers equals more fun. And don't even get me started on ground clearance. The Pilot's max is 8.3 inches, while the 4Runner sits at a beefy 9.2 inches. Plus, the Pilot's V6 just doesn't have the power of the 4Runner's hybrid turbo. If you want power, the 4Runner's got it. The 4Runner may cost more and have one less seat, but it's a go-to SUV for adventure lovers. It's got better shocks, high ground clearance, and a rugged TRD Sport trim that looks so cool. Plus, it's got bigger screens, heated mirrors, and a hybrid option that saves gas and adds more power. Vroom vroom. But if you need more seats, a lower price, and all those family-friendly extras, the Pilot is the way to go. Standard wireless charging, remote start, and even heated rear seats. Oh yeah, that's comfy! And don't forget the Trailsport trim. It may not be as tough as the 4Runner, but with skid plates, trail cameras, and upgraded tires, it's still got some adventure in its DNA. So which one's better? Tell me in the comments or just bring me a donut and we'll call it even.